Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear and delete your browsing history on Google Chrome. Let's launch Google Chrome first. Then I want you to hit the lower right corner on the three dots. Make sure you have the latest update, okay? Click on the three dots and you will find an option if you scroll down that it says clear browsing data. When you click on this, you will have a bunch of options over here. First thing that you will see is that you have all your browsing history. Then you will have all the cookies. Then you have all the cache, images, and files. Very important, all the saved passwords, right, will not be deleted. This is very, very important. If you click on the lower end of the spectrum, you see the red writing. You can clear all the browsing data. But before you do that, I want you to see the top line where you have the time range. When you click on the time range, you could simply select how long do you want your clear or deletion of browsing data wanted to go. Do you want to delete it at all, at once, in any search queries that you ever put? Or you want to delete something recent like the last hour, last 24 hours, last week, or last 4 weeks? So you can see that there is a disparity between a month and an hour, and you can actually delete all of your search queries in history. But this is how you essentially clear your browsing history, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.